Jesus freak here. Mail came a bit early. Now, this was ordered on my behalf. It's something I need a few more parts in order to make something of. It was intended for someone who's fixing an IBM 5150 5160 PC. Hence, someone tossed in a diagnostics disc. They also, and this is well padded, the important thing. Now I'm going to need some other stuff before I can actually make use of this. This is a Tandon floppy drive of the kind, here it is, it says on it, TM 100-2A. It's not the original drive used on the IBM PC. It was very quickly used to replace it, because the original drive had one drive head. This one has two. Now, the utility of this drive will come into play when I have some other parts. In particular, I'm going to need a way to connect it. To this Klyball card. And then I put this Klyball in my card in my Nabu. Still got issues to iron out with my floppy disk bootloader, so that's going to need a little work too. But just, see. So the important party can see that I have it. And so everyone else can see that I have it. Jesus freak out.